This is Euclid Book 3, proposition number 21, and this one's going to be incredibly simple. I know it doesn't look simple, but it will be once you see what we do. Okay, we've got a circle. It starts at point A, it goes through point E, it comes down here to point D, it comes down through here at point C, and it goes over here to point B before returning back to A. So it makes one full circle. And then by using Euclid Book 3, proposition 1, we find the center of circle AEDB, which happens to be letter F right here. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line from F to B and F to D. And once we do that, we're going to draw a line from B to A and a line from D to A. Then we're going to draw another line from B to E and another line from D to E. Now, what we're supposed to do is prove that angle BAD is equal in size. There's the same number of degrees in BAD as there is in BED. So the number of degrees in BED is going to be exactly the same as the number of degrees in BAD. Now, how do we prove this? Well, we have to return back to Euclid Book 3, proposition number 20. First of all, we have established, well, there's a few things we're going to establish here. Let's see. He wants you to, first of all, say that we have two angles in the same segment, BAED. Well, the segment he's talking about starts right here, BAED. So everything above this line, this BD line, everything above that is a segment of the circle. Now, we talked about this way back in the first part of Euclid Book 3, so if you don't know what we're talking about, you need to go back to the beginning of Book 3, and you'll see for yourself. Now, we know that BAD and BED are two angles contained in segment BAED. Okay? We know this now. All right. Now, since angle BFD is at the center, well, we have BFD, and it's at the center of the circle. And the angle BAD is at the circumference, BAD, this is at the circumference of the circle. Then by Euclid Book 3, proposition number 20, we can say that this angle here is double the size of this angle right here. We can then also go on to say that by Euclid Book 3, proposition number 20, that angle BED is double the size of BFD. Okay? And since this angle is double the size of this one, no, hang on a second. Okay. Since this angle is double the size of this one, and this angle here is double the size of this one, then this angle and this angle are exactly the same size, which is what Euclid was trying to prove in the first place. And now you have your proof. Wasn't that just easy as pi? Alright, yeah, I know pi, the mathematical term pi, yeah. Okay, well, I will cover more in a future video, so stay tuned.